To enter your schedule or results, go to maxpreps.com and sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll see a user icon in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click that icon. The teams you coach will be listed here. Go ahead and click on your team to be taken to the coach admin. This is where you can manage everything about your team, such as your roster, your schedule, and results. So this demo is going to cover how to enter your schedule and results, so we can click on schedule either under the team checklist or under the menu. If you already see matches on your schedule, it's because your opponent already selected or assigned you to the match. Everything in MaxPreps is tied together to ensure results are correct statewide. To add a new match to the schedule, click Schedule a Match, and if you're scheduling a duel versus one other team, select Duel Match and then Continue. You can go ahead and enter your match details, such as the date, the time, if it's home, away, or neutral. If your match type is region or conference, you would select conference, and then you're automatically shown a drop-down of the teams in your region or conference. If it's non-region or non-conference, you'll then instead type the school name and select it from a list. Make sure that if someone is listed more than once, you select the team in the right state. And once you've done that, you can click Save and Exit, or if you want to add another match to the schedule, Save Match and add another. Once we click Save and Exit, the match is now on your schedule and it's also on your opponent's schedule. To schedule a multi-team meet, or if your team is attending a tournament or invitational, select Schedule a Match, and then select Multi-Team and Continue. A list of all the tournaments in the state previously entered in MaxPreps will be listed here. Check the list carefully before creating a new match. If you find your match, select the Add Team button to add your team to this event, and then you can edit any of the details or add other teams if you know that they're coming and aren't listed yet, and then click Save and Exit. And that's how you would add yourself to a match that already exists. To add a new multi-team or invitational match, you'll click Schedule a Match, Multi-Team, Continue, check the list, make sure it's still not there, and then click Create a New Match. And then you can go ahead, enter a match name, where it's going to be located, the match details such as game times, or if JV or varsity only is playing, select the date, the time, if it's conference, non-conference, all the teams that you know are coming, add the teams, and then click Save and Exit, or save and add another one to your schedule. As soon as you save these, they will also show up on your opponent's schedules as well. During the season, you'll need to enter your results into MaxPreps. This is done right on the schedule page. Once the date and time of the match has passed, you'll be able to see either a plus or a wrench icon next to the match. Click on that icon to start entering or editing the results. So you'll just type in the score and check who won the match, and then click Save and Next, which will take you to begin entering individual match results. Click Add Result and select the positions such as singles or doubles, as well as the round and the opponent. For dual matches, there will only be one opponent in this dropdown. Select the individual from your school and the individual from the opponent's school. These drop-downs are based on the rosters that teams have entered, which is why it's critical that everyone keeps the roster up to date. If your state is using rankings or RPI, selecting the opponent's mascot, such as Tigers won singles, will not calculate correctly when rankings are run. Once you've selected the athletes, enter the set scores and click Save and Next. And this will allow you to begin the process over of selecting the position, round, opponent team, and each of the athletes that were in the match. Once you're done, you can click Save and Exit, and the matches that you've entered will appear here. If you see anything that needs added, changed, or deleted, you can always come back to this page and hit the edit wrench icon. And note, if your opponent was missing anyone from the roster when you went to enter these results, please contact that team to have them make the addition and then return to this results page to add that missing match. Once all results have been entered, you can click I am done entering stats. And then you can select a player of the match, or just go ahead and return to your schedule or close out of the system. But that is how you would enter your results for each match on your schedule.